A long time ago, there was an old woman. Her name was Elisa, and she lived in an old house. The floor squeaked. Outside, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Elisa went to see the wise man of the village.
What can I do? My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks. My floor squeaks. The wind blows the leaves through the tree. The leaves fell on the roof. My tea kettle whistled.
I can help you. I know what you can do.
What?
Get a cow.
What good is a cow?
But Elisa got the cow anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
Elisa went back to the wise man.
Get a donkey.
What good is a donkey?
But Elisa got the donkey anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Still too noisy.
And Elisa went back to the wise man again.
Get a sheep.
What good is a sheep?
But Elisa got a sheep anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And she went back to the wise man.
Get a hen.
What good is a hen?
But Elisa got a hen anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled.
Too noisy.
And back she went to the wise man.
Get a dog and get the cat too.
What good is a dog or a cat too?
But Elisa got a dog and a cat anyhow. The bed creaked. The floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistled. Now Elisa was angry. She went to the wise man.
Oh, I told you my house makes too much noisy. I told you my bed squeaks. My floor squeaks. The leaves fell on the roof. The tea kettle whistles. You told me to get a cow. All day the cow says moo moo. You told me to get a donkey. All day the donkey says hee haw. You told me to get a sheep. All day the sheep says meh meh. You told me to get a hen. All day the hen says quack quack. You told me to get a dog and a cat. All day the dog says woof woof. All day the cat says meow meow. I'm going crazy.
Do what I tell you. Let the cow go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the dog go. Let the cat go.
So Elisa let the cow go. She let the donkey go. She let the sheep go. She let the hen go. She let the dog go. She let the cat go. Now, no cow said. No donkey said. No sheep said. No hen said. No dog said. No cat said. Only the bed creaked.
Ah, what a quiet noise.
The floor squeaked.
Oh, what a quiet noise.
Outside, the leaves fell on the roof. Inside, the tea kettle whistled.
Ah, oh, how quiet my house is.
And Elisa got into her bed and went to sleep and dreamed a very, very quiet dream.